At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we confidently stand behind our reputation as a trusted provider of ductless HVAC systems in Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. As experienced professionals in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, we focus on delivering high-quality solutions tailored to each customer's comfort needs. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. Are ductless systems energy efficient? Yes, ductless HVAC systems are highly energy efficient, making them an excellent choice for homeowners and businesses. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we often recommend these systems because they eliminate the energy losses commonly associated with ductwork in traditional HVAC setups. Can a ductless system both heat and cool my home? Yes, ductless HVAC systems are designed to both heat and cool your home, making them a versatile solution for year-round comfort. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we install systems that use advanced refrigeration technology and heat pump functionality to provide efficient cooling in the summer and reliable heating during colder months. What is your service area? Our PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair serve the following Pennsylvania locations: Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndom, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026, United States. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, https://pjmachvac.com/drexel-hill-ac-heating-repair-install/.